How to be faceless in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of achieving a faceless appearance in Roblox in the year 2024. Various methods have been proposed in the past to achieve this, but many of them have since been patched and no longer work. So let's investigate if any of these methods are still viable. Firstly, let's visit our avatar editor on the Roblox website. Despite being able to equip different faces on our avatar, attempting to remove the equipped face only reverts back to the default smiley face. Even switching to the same face repeatedly yields no change, indicating that this method has been fixed. Another previously effective approach involves using a specific male head, the classic male head V2. However, this item is no longer available for purchase, suggesting that Roblox removed it from the shop once they became aware of its use in achieving a faceless look. Unfortunately, as of 2023 or 2024, all known faceless methods have been addressed, leaving us to anticipate the discovery of a new glitch. The intention of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to inform viewers that currently there is no active means to become faceless in Roblox. All the existing faceless glitches have been resolved and we must wait for a new method to surface. I hope this clarifies any uncertainties you might have or had. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.